So we're here in the beautiful Brecon Beacons today for our Pen y Fan walk, our Mindful Mountains walk with our postgraduate research students.
Today we're on a walk at Pen y Fan, one of the most beautiful spots in South Wales, as a wellbeing event to, just to chat, meet our other sort of fellow postgrad students and just get to know each other, a bit of networking and just make sure everyone's feeling good.
It's been a great opportunity to meet lots of other students, and it also sort of represents our PhDs in a way, because I can definitely say a PhD is like climbing a mountain.
We brought a big group of students with us from all different stages of their research student journey and from different faculties and subject areas.
The views up here are stunning. Pictures don't do it justice. You've got to come and experience it yourself.
The other thing to say about today is it's been really great sort of getting students together to share advice and support, because we know that the PGR student journey can be quite a lonely one, so it's been lovely to see all the students sort of open up and just have a good time really.
To do things like this where you're coming up with all your sort of fellow researchers is lovely to do, and you can chat, you can talk about their PhDs, talk about your own PhD. It really gives you a bit of inspiration to keep sort of pushing on.